Today's seminar, I just want to start it with telling you all that today we have arranged this seminar for you people only, specially to inform you about mental health and its importance, and how I know a lot of you would already be aware about the subject, but we're gonna just give you a little more insight about it. And it's gonna be a very fun session, a very interactive one, and it's gonna be full of games and fun activities, and you're going to learn something new. I'm pretty sure each one of you are going to learn something new from sir. So now I'm going to hand it over to sir, and sir is going to start this session. I again please request you all who, I understand if there's any technical issue, but if you can please switch on your camera so that we can see your video, and let's enjoy the session together then. Thank you. Let's start, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you. Thank you for introducing me with these wonderful people who are in front of me. I can see these lovely faces. Rishi Arora, Dishan Dikshit, Madhvi Singh, Sia. Right, good. Okay, so I would start first with you people, right? So I would allow now you to speak first, then I will talk. Okay. So let me understand this, that what is your understanding of the mental health? What do you mean by mental health? Anyone can start. Yes, you just unmute yourself and let me know. Rishi Arora, can you unmute yourself? Ha, Rishi.
Mm, to
Say.
me, mental health is how how we take things that are difficult for us, and handle pressure, stress, and how we can always make ourselves feel happy, light. You know.
Very good, very good, very good. Varun, I would thank you that you have collected good, intelligent people, right? So I am going to enjoy this intellectual galaxy. Thank you, Varun. Okay, now I would like to ask you, Shobhit. Shobhit,
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by health? Let me first understand this. What
Sir,
is health? We'll
sir,
come
health
on
means
later on the mental health. First, let us understand what is health.
health means the power which we can use to fight against viruses, diseases, and all the other things which may cause diseases in our body.
Wow, good. Very
Thank you, sir.
nicely. Okay, very nicely. Madhvi, can you tell me that what is physical health? What is physical health?
So what we do physically is shows that what is our physical health, our outside things, our outside.
Okay, good. Tanmay,
Yes,
would
sir.
you like to tell me that what is physical health?
Yes, sir.
Please.
One second.
Take your time, please.
Physical health, also referred to as the science of radius protection, is the process developed to protecting people and their environment from portal harsh while making it possible to joy benefits using of radiation.
Wow, my God, great. I salute you. Great. Okay, so Yes, Varun, true. Whatever the message you have given, it is correct. I 100% agree with you. Okay, Varun, can we have just the first poll? Let them participate into it,
Yeah, I'll just launch the polls.
please. For all of you, there would be a question flashing on your screen, and you just have to answer it. Yes. So this is
Okay,
now
poll
the
has been
first
launched.
question is, how many of you believe that we should be physically healthy? Yes or no? And being physically healthy means what? Very good. I'm getting very quick response. 15, 17 people have replied out of 29. That's good. 65% people are awakened and aware. They are responding, answering. Very good. Just six more people have to answer, and then I will continue. I'm waiting for five more people now. So great, great. Okay, so I'm going to end this poll and want to show you the result. Okay, can you all see the result? Just show me the thumbs up, then I will understand that you can see. Show me the thumbs like this. Okay, good, good, good. Uh, Digitally also you can do, but I would prefer physical because we are talking about physical health. Ah, yes, Rishi is correct. Okay. Uh, I am seeing ma'am also, Chandra Joshi ji, namaste. Please, all of you can participate. Good, good. Lalita ma'am, namaste. So all of you are most welcome. Okay, good, good. I can see now the many thumbs up. Yes, good, good. Ravinder ji, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so the result says what? Whatever you have replied me in this question, and how many of you believe that we should be physically healthy? So 24 out of 24 says yes. Now, physically healthy is very, very important. Correct? And then when I asked that, what do you mean by being physically healthy? So 58% have said that disease-free body is physically healthy, right? And then some of you talked about, means 25% people says that strength in the body. If you are physically, having the strength, you are having the, your body is strong, then you are physically healthy. Correct. And then the third one is endurance. That also 17% have said that yes, endurance is also equally important for being physically healthy. True. Okay. So based on this discussion, this poll, Now I would further continue. Okay, so very nicely, Sia and Tanisk, the way you people are sitting, I love you. Huh? So you are looking very cute together. Good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So good. So being physically fit means what? ना जैसे हमने कहीं कुछ किसी जगह ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, है ना, एंड यू हैव बहुत भारी भारी हमारे पास में ब्रीफकेस सूटकेस हैं और सब ट्रॉली वाले नहीं है, you just have to carry it in your hand, and if you can carry it means you are physically strong. Yes or no? if some मान लो एक बॉटल है, उसका जो कैप है बहुत टाइट है और आपको मम्मी या कोई दे, देखो मुझसे नहीं खुल रहा, तुम खोल दो, और आपने उसको खोल दिया, तो विल से दैट यू आर फिजिकली स्ट्रांग. यस और नो? Right? So our strength resolve certain problems which can be physically solved. You agree with me? Yes or no? Correct. Same way, mental health is equally important. Right? जैसे physically fit रहना, हेल्दी रहना जरूरी है, ऐसे ही मेंटली फिट रहना, हेल्दी रहना भी उतना ही जरूरी है. कितने लोग मुझसे सहमत हैं इस बात से? देखो, हेल्दी होने का मतलब ही क्या है? जो अपना यूएनओ ने जो हेल्थ का डेफिनेशन दिया है, what they say that health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease. है ना? शरीर में अगर केवल बीमारी नहीं है तो ही हम हेल्दी हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. हेल्दी होने का मतलब क्या है? फिजिकली हेल्दी होना, मेंटली भी हेल्दी होना और सोशली भी हेल्दी होना. Right? So the today's topic is how to be, mentally strong and mental healthy, or mental health, what is it all about and how we can improve it, and we will talk about all those things today. But there is one more step ahead, that is social well-being. So what is social being? I will touch this area also little bit, and in another webinar or some other day we will talk more about in detail about the social well-being also. So today we will confine ourselves with the mental health only. So you all understand that physically healthy is equally important. Yes? Okay. Now if I ask you that, if you have the choice that you want to be healthy, means you have to be physically healthy as well as mentally healthy. Yes or no? Okay. Now given a choice, if you have a choice that you should be either physically healthy or mentally healthy, then which one will you prefer? You can answer in chat or you can just unmute yourself and you can reply. दोनों में से अगर चॉइस हो कि एक ही हो सकता है, तो आप क्या होना पसंद करोगे? फिजिकली स्ट्रांग या मेंटली स्ट्रांग? यस माधवी, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड रिस्पॉन्ड.
Sir, mentally.
Very good, very good, very good. I am seeing some of the very intelligent people, and most of you have responded in the chat also. Mentally, everyone is saying mentally. No? Okay, you know why it is so? I appreciate that you understand it. ना? मान लो एक कमजोर शरीर है लेकिन मजबूत माइंड है, a weak body but strong mind is okay, is good. It is very good. But if you have a strong body but weak mind, this will not work. Like you can see, there are so many such examples in Hollywood, Bollywood, the celebrities. There are many people who have all six pack, eight pack, physically very strong, having bicep, triceps, everything. But when it comes to struggle, when it comes to fight with the relationship, when it comes to fight with, ups and downs of the life, they fail. Many time you must have heard that many people commit suicide. Many people go into depression. In this lockdown only, you all are children. I don't want to, scare you by giving the data. But just I want to tell you that many people are visiting psychologist, doctor, because they are mentally sick. They are not mentally healthy. They are having some problem. They are in depression. And the number of suicide also is increasing. So I will talk about all these reasons that why and what to do for this. But just I want to tell you one thing. It is you should be very clear about it. And I am happy to see that most of you are very clear about it. That even your body is weak, but your mind is strong, you are king, you are queen. Correct? A healthy body and a sick mind may not work very successfully, but a healthy mind and a sick body can work. It will be better, it will be good. See, I'm not advocating it that you all be physically ill. Physically strong is okay, it's good, right? Acha, one more thing. Normally, there is a myth in the people that body has mind into it. This is wrong. Mind has body into it. है ना? मन बड़ा है या शरीर? माइंड को क्या बोलते हैं? मन बोलते हैं. अच्छा, इतना हम मन मन बोल रहे हैं, माइंड बोल रहे हैं. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज माइंड? Let us first talk about it. The things would be more clear in your. See, okay, tell me that how do you listen? आप कैसे सुनते हो?
Sir, we hear everything by ear.
Okay, good. Clapping for you. Okay, how do you see?
Sir, from eyes which are connected by brain.
Eyes. Okay, the involvement of the brain is also there. Good. How do you walk with your leg? Yes, no? Okay, good. See, I'm going to say that all these are not correct. I would say that we do not see with the eyes. I would say that we do not listen with the ears. We see with the mind. We listen with the mind. Right? Let me prove it how it is correct. Many a time it happens that someone has said something and you said that, oh my God, what you said, please repeat it. I could not listen. My dear, at what that particular time when he was speaking, was there any kind of cover on your ear? कुछ ढक्कन लगा था क्या कान पे? या आपने ऐसे कान को मोड़ करके बंद कर लिया था? बोला अभी हम सुनेंगे नहीं किसी का. ऐसा तो नहीं था. कान तब भी खुला हुआ था, है ना? फिर भी हमें सुनाई नहीं दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा मन वहां पे नहीं था, हमारा माइंड अलर्ट नहीं था. माइंड हमारा वहां से थोड़ा किनारे चला गया था, इसीलिए हमें सुनाई नहीं दिया. मेकिंग सेंस टू यू? यस, नो? इसी तरह से हम जब कुछ देखते हैं, तो आपने बोला माइंड से देखते हैं. क्यों बोलते हैं ऐसे? आप कुछ सीन देख रहे हैं टीवी पे, आपकी आंख तो ऐसे खुली हुई थी, बड़े टकटकी लगा करके देख रहे थे टीवी पे क्या आ रहा है ना. बट अचानक आपने कुछ और सोचना शुरू किया और वो सीन स्कैप कर गया. फिर आपसे पूछते कि अभी आपने क्या देखा था, तो आप बोलते क्या था, एक बार जरा प्लीज थोड़ा बैक करना, है ना, थोड़ा रिवर्स प्ले करना, तब हम बता पाएंगे. क्यों भाई, क्या आपने उस वक्त आंखें बंद कर रखी थी? नहीं ना, आंखें तो खुली थी, फिर भी नहीं दिखाई दिया. यस और नो? है ना. चलो एक गेम खेलते. सब गेम खेलने के लिए तैयार? यस नो? थोड़ा उत्साह दिखाना पड़ेगा गेम के लिए, थोड़ा एनर्जेटिक होना पड़ेगा. और जितने लोगों के वीडियोस ऑन है वही गेम में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. आई एम सॉरी फॉर अदर पीपल. Okay, so okay, you just see around your room. पूरा अपना रूम के अगल बगल में सब तरफ ऐसे ऐसे नज़र घुमा करके आपको देखना है. एंड क्विकली यू हैव टू काउंट that how many things you are having which is in circle, है ना. So I would be giving you 40 seconds for that. Okay, so wait, when I say start then only, right now, no. When I say start, your time starts now. And Varun, you please keep a watch on the stopwatch. 40 seconds will give them.
Sure. 40
In
seconds.
40 seconds, they have to find out how many circle shape things they have in their home or in their room.
Perfect.
Excuse me,
Okay,
question
so
again.
your
Here
time
for
starts now.
Sir,
I'm
sir,
repeating it quickly.
yeah, just
आपको
I'll
हाँ,
put the question in the chat so that people who couldn't hear it will just know.
करेक्ट प्लीज. हमें क्या करना है, अपने आसपास में कितनी चीजें जो गोल है, सर्किल में है, ऐसी चीजों को देखना है. और फिर हम उसको, मुझे बताना है कि हमने इतना देखा. 10, 12, 8, 7, वॉट एवर इज द नंबर. Done? How many
Sir, 34.
Oh my God. How many how many seconds are left, Varun?
20.
7 seconds.
Okay.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Over.
Okay, write in chat.
One.
How many things you could see? Quickly, post in chat. Okay, I'm getting some of the very honest answer. I respect their honesty. Some are saying 5, 6, 10, and someone said 100. My God, that's good. 55, 34, 32, 2, 7, 16, 19, 81, 81, 40. Good number. Great. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to do a mental exercise. Are you all ready with me? Yes? Okay. So just here again, those who are having their videos on, Varun can decide that who is the winner in this game. Another game. Okay. I will let you know the previous game later on, but first I'm going to play one more game. Ready for the game? Okay, you love game, huh? Okay. So what you have to do with one finger, you will just put like this cross, victory sign. Okay. Can you all see me? Okay. And with another hand, you have to say wonderful. When we appreciate someone, how do we live? Put hand like this, na? Okay. So with one hand, we will be doing like this, and another hand like this. Correct? And when I say change, then quickly you have to change. Change means you will do with this hand and this. Got it? Okay. So now let us start. Change. 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 Ah, it's fun, nah? We made the mistake or not? No?
Yes, sir, we made it.
Yes, yes. So it happens, even I would make the mistake. So not to worry. Huh? Because mind is not peaceful right now. Mind is not comfortable right now. हाँ? देखो, बचपन से लेकर के अब तक हमने क्या किया है? हर वक्त हमारा माइंड जो है वो ऑन रहता है, हर वक्त। कभी भी ये ऑफ नहीं होता, हर वक्त चलता रहता है। यू एग्री विद मी? Even when you are sleeping, then also mind is working. Otherwise, why it happens that in dream, if we see that I have fallen from somewhere, I was going on the hill and fallen it. How many of you have seen this type of dream? कि हम कहीं से गिर गए, है ना, रास्ते में जा रहे थे, सांप ने काट लिया, या ऐसा कुछ भी डर वाला सपना किसने किसने देखा है? देखा है ना? अच्छा, और जैसे ही वो सपना हम देखते हैं, तुरंत क्या होता है? अगर हमारी आंख खुल जाए और आप अपना हार्ट बीट चेक करो, तो इट्स pumping very fast. It happens or not? So our emotions are on. Our mental awareness is on even when we are sleeping. समझ आ रही मेरी बात ना? तो हम मन को कभी विश्राम नहीं देते, कभी विश्राम नहीं देते. Yes, I am seeing some of the messages in chat. I will take all these. Don't worry. If you say, well, I don't dream, it's okay, perfectly fine. I have seen a lot of horror dreams. Good. It happens. So what I want to convey here, that mind is continuously working. Whether you are seeing the good dream or not, even when you are not dreaming, then also mind is working. True? So, अच्छा, अभी किसी भी चीज को अगर हम कंटिन्यूसली काम कराएंगे तो उसका कैपेसिटी पे क्या असर पड़ेगा? उसका परफॉर्मेंस पे क्या असर पड़ेगा? अभी हमारा
सर
एक फैन है, फैन को हमने 24 आवर्स एंड 7 डेज कंटिन्यूसली ऑन करके रखें। एसी है हमारा, उसको 2400 घंटे ऑन रखें, कभी बंद नहीं करें। 1 साल 2 साल कितना साल चलेगा? कभी तो खराब हो जाएगा ना जल्दी। बोलो, माने क्या? हर एक चीज को रेस्ट चाहिए, हर एक चीज को रेस्ट चाहिए। बट क्या हम अपने माइंड को रेस्ट देते हैं? कभी नहीं देते। तो आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि हमारा माइंड जो है वो स्ट्रांग होगा बिना रेस्ट दिए? राइट? और लेट मी टेल यू, व्हेन वी रेस्ट, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट, व्हेन वी रेस्ट, then only growth happens. है ना? Both the things are required. Activities, 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 and then rest, then rest, then rest. Take the example of a farmer. What does he do? पहले वो जुताई करते हैं ना, ट्रैक्टर से पूरा मिट्टी को इधर उधर करते, फिर उसमें बीज डालते, है ना? देखा होगा आपने, फिल्म में तो देखा ही होगा, अगर सचमुच में नहीं भी देखा है तो। Then what happens after sowing the seeds or after planting the saplings? What does he do? He just wait, relax, rest. And that is the time when the plant and the seeds starts growing. True or not? है ना? ये मान लो ऋषि, अगर हम फार्मर हैं और हमने सीड्स लगा दिया, है ना, फिर दूसरे दिन जाकर के हम उसको जरा जमीन में से खोद करके निकाल करके देखें कितना बड़ा हुआ, फिर वापस उसको लगा दें, फिर 3 दिन बाद जाकर के फिर देखें कि कितना बड़ा हुआ, रोज रोज ऐसा करें, तो ऋषि बताओ मुझे, वो सीड्स ग्रो करेगा?
No, sir.
नहीं, नहीं। ऋषि राज यादव,
Yes, sir.
हैव यू प्लांटेड समथिंग इन योर घर या बाहर कहीं भी कुछ आपने कभी कुछ
Yes,
सैपलिंग
sir.
लगाया? लगाया?
Yes, sir.
तो लगा करके उसको छोड़ दिया था या जा करके देखा कि कब उसमें से निकल रहा है, कब उसमें से निकल रहा है? ऐसा किया था?
No, sir. Sir, लगा के छोड़ दिया.
है ना? इसका मतलब क्या? रेस्ट बहुत जरूरी है, छोड़ना बहुत जरूरी है। ऐसे ही माइंड को भी ना, जब बहुत सारा काम कर लिया हमने, दिन भर पढ़ाई करी, दिन भर ऑनलाइन स्क्रीन पे हमने देखा, फिर ये बहुत जरूरी है माइंड को रेस्ट देना, रिलैक्स कराना। And right now, today only, you will understand and you will believe on me that giving rest increases your mental health. So how many of you are interested in seeing this? You want to experience it? That the moment you give rest, your mental awareness or the mental health increases. Right? Okay. So we are going to do one more exercise. Sit straight. रीढ़ का हड्डी सीधा करके एकदम ऐसे तन करके बैठ जाओ। और अपना गर्दन को राइट साइड में ऐसे टर्न करते हैं, राइट साइड करते जाओ, करते जाओ, जितना कर सकते, जितना दूर तक ले जा सकते हैं ले जाओ। और देखो जो भी तुम्हें दिख रहा है, कैलेंडर, कुछ भी, एक पीछे जाकर के देखो, कोई जगह एक मार्क कर लो जहां तक तुम्हारी गर्दन गई, और फिर धीरे से वापस आ जाओ, धीरे धीरे। ठीक? डन ना? ओके। तो जो भी आप जहां तक आपकी नजर या जहां तक आपकी गर्दन घूम पाई, आई थिंक यू हैव रिमेम्बर्ड दैट, यस और नो? Okay, now we are going to do one exercise. It is very, very good for increasing your mental awareness, right? So you just all have to follow the instruction. That's all which you have to do. Correct? And we are not going to apply our intellect into it. हम जो भी बोलेंगे, जैसे मान लो हमने बोला is think about an apple. So you just have to think about the apple. Don't think that apple is green, red, big, or just small. These type of things you need not to think. If you think too much, it becomes imagination. So in this process, we are not going to do the imagination. We will be just having a concept of that. That's all. Correct? Correct? All of you understood it? Okay. So sit comfortably and easily. जहां भी आप बैठे हैं एकदम आराम से बैठ जाइए, है ना? अगर कुछ आपको सपोर्ट लेने का मन हो चेयर पे, टेबल पे, तो सपोर्ट लेके भी बैठ सकते हैं, बट सिट कंफर्टेबली इजीली. ओके, नाउ शेक योर हैंड. Shake your hand. Little faster. Come on. Even faster. When you can't see your fingers means you are doing it correctly. Madhvi, keep your hands up and then shake it. Ah, good, 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 good. Up. Hands up. Hands in the side. And come on. Little faster. Okay, हाथ नीचे करके करते. Down and then shake. Shake, 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 shake. Up. Down. Up. Up. Down. Down. Up. 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 Down. You are seeing or listening? Good, 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 good. Now just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Both the hands on your knee. Palm open towards the sky. Eyes closed. Completely closed. आंखें बंद कर लें. And feel the sensation or vibration in your palm. हथेली पर जो भी संवेदनाएं हो रही उस पर ध्यान ले जाए. You may feel some circular sensation in your palm, like something is moving in your palm, and your palm become heavier. Just relax. Relax your shoulder. Relax the fingers of your hand. हाथों की उंगलियों को ढीला छोड़ दें. Eyes closed. Relax even the eyelids. आंखों की पुतलियों को भी विश्राम करने दें, पलकों को भी विश्राम करने दें. Completely relaxed. शरीर हमारा पूरा विश्राम की अवस्था में है। Hands are relaxed. Relax your legs. Our full body is relaxed. Not only the parts of the body, but even the organs are relaxed. You're not putting much effort to breathe in, breathe out. You inhale, long, deep breath, and exhale, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, also having very relaxed, calm, cool. सांस भी जैसे अपने आप चल रही, बिना किसी एफर्ट के. Stomach is relaxed. Shoulder relaxed. Throat. Lips. Cheek. Nose. Both the ears. Eyes. You have to relax your forehead. Your head. Whole body is relaxed. Now take a long deep breath and breathe out. Very slowly, gradually, become aware of the place where you are sitting. Become aware of the room where you are sitting. Very slowly, gradually, whenever you feel like, you may open your eyes. Take your time to open your eyes. Not in hurry. Good morning, children. How are you feeling? Feeling relaxed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we did one exercise. We turned the head and we have marked something, like curtain, window, calendar, wherever you have put a mark. I think you remember that. No? So now again we are going to do it. Just turn the head. And go up to that place very easily where you have gone last time. Now you have to extend it little more. थोड़ा और आगे तक जाओ. जाओ जाओ जाओ, करो करो, अभी करते रहो. और आगे जाओ, और आगे, थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ जाओ। अभी जरा सा इसको कैलकुलेट कर लो परसेंटेज में। जैसे मान लो पिछली बार 5 मीटर गए थे, अभी 7.5 गए, तो हमारा 50% बढ़ गया, है ना। तो आप देखो कितना आपका परसेंटेज वाइज कितना ज्यादा घूम पा रहे हो आप, कितना ज्यादा कर लिए पिछली बार से। परसेंटेज में थोड़ा उसको कैलकुलेट कर लो, 10%, 20%, 50%, जो भी आपका हुआ उतना मेजर करके धीरे धीरे गर्दन को वापस ले आओ। राखी, हाउ मच you could increase, and rest of you can write in chat. Rakhi Kanyal, you can unmute yourself now. Yes, speak. Rakhi, how much percentage?
Some 40 or 45%.
My God, 40%. It's wonderful. It's amazing. Oh my God, I am seeing in the chat 40 to 50%, 45%, 40%, and someone has said 10%. That's also great. 30%, 45%. Oh my God. It's amazing, amazing result. Can you all clap for yourself? जरा सोच के देखो, पढ़ाई में भी तो हमें माइंड का जरूरत पड़ता है, मेंटली हेल्दी होने का जरूरत पड़ता है ना। मान लो आपका पिछला यूनिट टेस्ट में जितना मार्क्स आया और वो केवल एक एक्सरसाइज से 40% बढ़ जाए तो मजा आ जाएगा, हाँ या ना। और हमने किया क्या अभी, बस खाली अपने माइंड को रेस्ट किया। ओ माय गॉड, तन्मय सेइंग 55%, वंडरफुल वंडरफुल, है ना। देखो सोचो, छोटा सा एक एक्सरसाइज करने से अगर हमारा कैपेसिटी इतना बढ़ सकता है तो हम अमेजिंग कर सकते हैं ना अपना पढ़ाई में। और मेंटल हेल्थ का जरूरत तो हमें अपना रिलेशनशिप में भी तो होता है, नहीं। आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है तो आप कैसे उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हो? इफ यू आर मेंटली फिट, मेंटली हेल्दी, और यू आर मेंटली सिक, टेल मी। मेंटली हेल्दी ना, यस और नो? अच्छा, अभी क्विकली वापस आते हैं। हम लोगों ने एक और एक्सरसाइज किया था जिसमें हम लोगों ने सर्कल देखा था अपने राउंड राउंड पूरे रूम में। Am I audible now? There was some network problem, that's why I suddenly disappeared. Now it's okay. अच्छा, अभी हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, जो अभी हम लोगों ने राउंड राउंड देखा था, अभी हम उस एक्सरसाइज को फिर से करेंगे। बट एक चीज मुझे ध्यान से सुनना, आपके देखो आसपास में कोई पेंटिंग होगा, है ना। उस पेंटिंग में किसी का भी फोटो अगर बना हुआ है तो उसकी आंख में भी तो एक सर्कल है ना। हो सकता है उसने कोई बिंदी लगा रखी हो तो बिंदी में भी तो एक सर्कल है, नहीं। आपका कर्टेन है, कर्टेन में जो रॉड लगा हुआ है उसमें भी तो एक सर्कल है। और कर्टेन में जो वो लगे होते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रिंग, वो भी तो सर्कल में है ना। अभी जरा सा नजर घुमा करके देखो कितना सर्कल है घर में।
Sir, approximately into 2.5.
ग्रेट। अभी देखो पिछली बार जितना भी हमने देखा, मान लो पिछली बार हमने 10 ढूंढा था, तो अभी हमें कितना मिला, 20, 25, वंस अगेन कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू परसेंटेज, कितना बढ़ गया पिछली बार से, एंड पुट इट इन चैट. Oh, great. 60%. 40% has increased, around 40%. Very good, very good. Many of the students are saying that it has increased. Around 25%, 50% has increased. Great, great, great. So see, just simple thing and your how you see the things, this is called perception. तो आपका देखो परसेप्शन बेहतर हो गया, हाँ या ना. ऐसे ही जब आप कोई बुक पढ़ रहे, बुक में से पहले मान लो आपको 10 लाइन याद होता था 5 मिनट में, तो अभी 5 मिनट में आप 15 लाइन याद कर सकते हो, 20 लाइन याद कर सकते हो. Yes or no? And it has happened just by becoming aware about our mental health. और मेंटल हेल्थ का सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर क्या है? हमारा माइंड. जैसे ही हम अपने माइंड को रिलैक्स करते हैं, हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ इंप्रूव हो जाता है. Yes or no? So there are so many, interesting and fun ways to learn this. How to cool your mind. माइंड को कैसे हम और शार्पन कर सकते हैं, इसकी बहुत सुंदर सुंदर टेक्निक है. एक टेक्निक अभी आपने सीखी, अभी आपने देखी, है ना, तो यू कैन अप्लाई इट. एंड एनी टाइम यू फील दैट you want to talk to me, you want to ask something to me, Varun is the link between me and you, right? So you just can that through that website which you have connected, through that you can connect always with me, right? Varun, how can they connect to you?
Yeah, so about that, so hope you guys first of all had fun in the session. So now, regarding connecting with Sir, you know that how you guys joined through the takebreak.in website. That is us, and there's a query option on the site. If you go and check it out, you can post your query there, and we will get back to you. And I promise that we'll answer each and every query of yours. Secondly, we are keeping a question answer session right now. We are opening the forum for it. So what you can do is that either you can unmute yourself or you can type your question in the chat and Sir will answer it. You can ask any doubt, any queries you have in your mind. You can just absolutely without any, thinking about it, how people gonna react or what the people are gonna respond, regarding your question. What we are trying to do here is to provide you a safe space. So please feel free to ask any doubt, any question you have in mind. And Sir is here, I am here, the whole team of Break is here to make you feel free regarding that. So please ask any question you have in mind regarding anything, your studies, your frustration, pressure, stress, anything that you have in mind, any doubt, you can just ask here. Right? So you can either unmute yourself and ask, or you can either type the question in the chat. You can even send the question personally to Sir in the chat if you want other people not to see it.
Correct.
So if that's the thing, you can even message it personally to Sir or me, anyone, and Sir is gonna answer the question.
Correct.
And he's not gonna take names. Don't worry.
This is whispering conversation between me and you. So whatever secret question you want to ask, you can ask it to me, right? And I will answer it without taking your name. So be very free and open to ask any question. And you know what happens, where you ask such type of question. मान लो कुछ भी बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड का इशू हो जाए या कुछ भी कोई भी इशू है हमारे लाइफ में, तो हम उसको कहाँ पूछते हैं, किससे पूछते हैं? यूजुअली हम क्या करते हैं? मम्मी पापा से, तो थोड़ा टीचर से, तो क्वेश्चन पूछने में इतना डर लगता है ना, तो बाकी सब सवाल कैसे करेंगे? तो ये वरुण को हमें बहुत बहुत थैंक्स बोलना चाहिए. उसने इतना बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म हमें दिया है जहां आप देखो, जब आप अपने फ्रेंड से पूछते हो ना ये सब सवाल, तो फ्रेंड को कितना मालूम है या तो तुम्हारे जितना या तुमसे भी कम, है ना। तुम्हारा फ्रेंड तुमसे ज़्यादा मैच्योर तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर वरुण या मैं, है ना, आप हम सब इतने साल से बच्चों के साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम से डील कर रहे हैं, तो वी अंडरस्टैंड यू वेरी वेल। तुम्हारा साथ में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, वी नो, राइट, सो वी कैन आंसर देम, मेकिंग इट क्लियर ना। तो आपको जो भी इश्यूज है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, आप एकदम फ्री होकर के पूछ सकते। अभी नहीं पूछ पा रहे, बाद में भी आप उस वेबसाइट के थ्रू हमें से सवाल कर सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं, एंड वी प्रॉमिस वी विल रिप्लाई यू बैक, राइट। तो आपको कोई भी इशू हो, बिना किसी हेजिटेशन का आप सवाल कर सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं। आई एम गेटिंग सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन हियर। Some exercise for a lot of headache because of stress of study. Correct. While we were planning for this webinar, I was discussing with Varun that they have lot of problem because of screen time. Now lot of time we are spending on a screen, and that is the reason for this headache and all those things. So it will take one another session, of course, to talk about this in detail, and I promise that whenever I get a chance I would talk about that, right?
So that's why after this, just hang on for like 2 minutes, because I will talk to you guys regarding all those, topics and whatever we're going to cover the next time. So after this question answer session, just give me 5 minutes to take a review of how you like the things, and we'll talk about it. So sir can now go ahead and answer the questions or whatever queries you guys have.
Correct. One question I have got: how to improve your focus and not get distracted, and secondly, it is connected to our mental health. Very nice question. I appreciate whosoever have asked. He has asked me privately, so I am not naming the person, but it is very, very wonderful question. See, to improve your focus, what you need to do, from where you get the focus, I would ask from this. If our mind is rested properly, then intellect becomes sharp, right? And from where the focus come, focus क्यों हटता है, क्यों डिस्ट्रैक्शन होता है? क्योंकि हमारा माइंड जो है वो उलझा हुआ है बहुत सारी चीजों में, है ना। इट इज लाइक दिस, I don't know that how many of you are aware of those old camera. कितने लोगों ने, पता नहीं मुझे, ओल्ड कैमरा, अब तो सब डिजिटल हो गया, मोबाइल से फोटो ले लेते हैं। पहले हमारे जमाने में जब हम लोग छोटे थे तो एक कैमरा होता था जिसमें रोल लगती थी, फिर बाद में ऑटोमेटिक आ गया, तो फोटो खींचने के बाद वो रोल अपने आप घूम जाती थी, फिर उस पर दूसरी फोटो आती थी। बट जब वो ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम नहीं था तो हमने एक फोटो खींचा, फिर उसको क्या करते थे, घुमाते थे, रोल करते थे, राइट, फिर वो दूसरी फोटो लेते थे। कई बार क्या होता था, गलती से अगर हमने वो नहीं घुमाया तो उसके ऊपर में दूसरी फोटो आ जाती थी, फिर तीसरी फोटो, फिर चौथी फोटो, ऐसे करके फोटो पे फोटो आती जाती थी। और जब हम उसको डेवलप कराने जाते थे लैब में, स्टूडियो में, और वहां से जब प्रिंट लेकर के आते थे तो फोटो में खिचड़ी पका रहता था, है ना। उसमें मम्मी का फोटो, उसके ऊपर में पेड़, उसके ऊपर में बिल्ली, उसके ऊपर में डॉग, उसके ऊपर में काऊ, सब एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो जाता, समझ ही नहीं आता था ये फोटो है किसका। तो अल्टीमेटली लगता था, जैसे लगता है किसी ने स्क्रैबल ऐसे से कर दिया, वही ये फोटो आ गई। ऐसे ही हमारे माइंड के साथ भी है। हम जितना कुछ देखते हैं, जितना कुछ सुनते हैं, उन सब का फोटो हमारे माइंड पर एक क्लिक हो जाता है। जब हम इस पे क्लिक 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 बार बार करते जाते हैं तो ये ऐसे ही धुंधला हो जाता है, हमारा फोकस हट जाता है। इसको भी जरूरी है साफ करना, है ना। अच्छा, आपको मैं दूसरा एग्जांपल देता हूं, यू विल रिलेट इट। आपकी मैम पढ़ा रही है बोर्ड पे कुछ, और बोर्ड को कभी क्लीन ना करे, उसी पे लिखती जाए। मैथ का एक क्वेश्चन किया, फिर ज्योग्राफी की मैम आई, उन्होंने भी उसी पे पढ़ा दिया, फिर संस्कृत की मैम आई, उसने भी उन्हीं पे पढ़ा दिया। अल्टीमेटली शाम तक तुमको कुछ दिखाई देगा ब्लैक बोर्ड पे? ग्रीन बोर्ड पे, व्हाइट बोर्ड पे? नहीं ना। क्यों? क्योंकि सब एकदम खिचड़ी पक गया। नहीं, तो इसको जरूरी है क्लीन करते रहना। तो जब हम मेडिटेशन करते हैं, जो अभी हमने माइंड को कूल करने का प्रैक्टिस किया, इससे क्या होता है, वो क्लींजिंग होती है, माइंड हमारा साफ होते रहता है। फिर उस पर एक नई छवि आती है, नई इमेज आती है ना, उससे हमारा फोकस बढ़ता है, उससे हमारा कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ता है ना। जैसे अभी देखो आपने कैसे कर लिया, आपकी क्षमता बढ़ गई कि नहीं बढ़ गई? नहीं, ऋषि यू एग्री विद मी? सिया यू एग्री विद मी? राखी यू एग्री? करेक्ट। Any other question? There are some situations where the person is mentally fit and still they attempted suicide. Okay. See, it seems like that he is mentally fit, but actually he is not. What happens that, it is all the game of the prana. Prana means what? The life force energy. When it goes up, we feel happy, enthusiastic, feel wonderful about it. करेक्ट? अबाउट द सिचुएशन, कोई भी समस्या आ जाए, क्या होगा, हम सब देख लेंगे, हम सब ठीक कर लेंगे, ये उत्साह रहता है उसमें, है ना। लेकिन जब यही प्राण लेवल डाउन होता है, जब ये नीचे चला जाता है, तब हम स्ट्रेस में आते हैं। स्ट्रेस और बढ़ता है तो टेंशन होता है, टेंशन और बढ़ता है तो डिप्रेशन होता है, डिप्रेशन और जब बढ़ जाता है तब सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी आती है, फिर वो व्यक्ति जाकर के सुसाइड कर लेता है। और ज्यादातर केसेस में ये देखा गया है, सुसाइड करने वाला व्यक्ति कोई ना कोई नशा जरूर करता है। ज्यादातर केस में 99 पॉइंट केसेस में जो लोग सुसाइड कमिट करते हैं, उस समय वो किसी नशे में पूरी तरह से धुत होते हैं, है ना, ड्रग्स लेकर के या शराब पी करके, फिर वो अपने आप को हैंग करते हैं या गोली मार लेते हैं या सुसाइड कर लेते हैं किसी और भी तरीके से, राइट। ये जो है ना, वो नीचे जाता जाता है, तब ये प्रॉब्लम होती है। कभी कोई आदमी ऐसा नहीं देखा होगा तुमने, या कभी नहीं, जो उत्साह में है और बोले सुसाइड करने जा रहा है। कभी तुमने ऐसा सुना है कोई आदमी बोले चलो आज बड़ा खुशी का दिन है, आज हम सुसाइड करके आते हैं, बड़ा मजे मजे में गया हो? ऐसा नहीं होता। जो सुसाइड करने वाला व्यक्ति होता है, बहुत लो उसका स्टीम हो जाता है, बहुत दुखी रहने लगता है वो, है ना, स्ट्रेस में रहता है, डिप्रेशन में जाता है, तभी सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी आती है, उत्साह में नहीं रहता। तो आप देखोगे जब आप उत्साह में रहते हैं, यानी आपका प्राण लेवल अप है, आप खुश रहते हैं उस वक्त, है ना, स्माइलिंग फेस रहता है। फ्रॉनिंग फेस है, धीरे धीरे डाउन होते गए होते गए होते गए, फिर तो गड़बड़ होना है ना। And you want to know the how to go into depression, easy way to go into depression?
Yes.
It is important. Yes, I appreciate whosoever have asked, because if we know that how to go into it, then we will not do that. Getting it? Just start thinking about yourself only. मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा रिजल्ट का क्या होगा, हम क्या करेंगे। खाली जब आप फोकस हो जाते हैं ना अपने ऊपर में, तब आप धीरे धीरे डिप्रेशन में चले जाए। मेरे कैरियर का क्या होगा, है ना, हमारी सब कैरियर हमारा खराब होते जा रहा है, मेरे सारे पैसे खत्म हो रहे हैं, सब खाली अपने अपने बारे में सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं, तब हमें डिप्रेशन में जाना। और जैसे ही हम उसको छोड़ करके हम ये सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं मैं दूसरों के लिए क्या कर सकता हूं, वो आदमी कभी गलत काम नहीं करेगा, कभी सुसाइड नहीं करेगा, राइट। तो उसमें उत्साह रहता है ना, मैं दूसरों के लिए क्या कर सकता हूं। आप वरुण को देखो, he is such a young person, such a enthusiastic fellow. In this situation he decided that how can I help children, है ना, वरना क्या जरूरत है इस उम्र में सब बच्चों को, इसको वरुण को पबजी खेलना चाहिए चुपचाप बैठ करके घर में, ये सब करने का क्या जरूरत है। बट सी हाउ ही इज चेंजिंग द वर्ल्ड, how he making an impact in the society. So the moment you think about others, मैं दूसरों के काम कैसे आ सकता हूँ, आपका डिप्रेशन एकदम से गायब हो जाता है। घर में बैठे हुए बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है, खड़े मम्मी हम तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, वहीं से शुरू करो। आज चलो हम घर की सफाई कर देते हैं, घर की सफाई में लग गए, पूरा झाड़ू पोछा सब कर रहे, पूरी सफाई कर रहे, कहाँ टेंशन है, कहाँ स्ट्रेस है ना। पूरी तरह से आप एक काम में लगे हुए हो, खेलने में लग गए, है ना। नहीं कुछ मिलता है ना, जब भी आपको कुछ गड़बड़ लगे, सीढ़ी पे 10 बार ऊपर नीचे चढ़ो उतरो, पसीने पसीने हो जाओ, देखो तुरंत से उत्साह आ जाएगा। मेकिंग सेंस? हाँ। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? How to always keep one's prana level up? Okay, see, first thing is that you have to remove this word always from it. क्या होगा, कभी कभी प्राणा लेवल डाउन भी हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं, हम फिर से वापस आ जाएंगे, है ना। और प्राण को ऊपर करने का सबसे बढ़िया तरीका है प्राणायाम करना। प्राणायाम मीन्स गिविंग डायमेंशन टू योर प्राण। प्राण इज द लाइफ फोर्स एनर्जी, नो, इसी से हम चल रहे हैं। जैसे ये एसी कैसे चल रहा है, पंखा कैसे चल रहा है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से। ऐसे ही हमारा इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मशीन कैसे चल रहा है, प्राण से। हमारे अंदर में भी एक ऊर्जा है, वही ऊर्जा हमारे इस शरीर को चला रही, वही सब कुछ कर रही है ना। तो हम इसको कैसे अप कर सकते हैं, ये बहुत आसान है। थोड़ा सा प्राणायाम करते ही हमारा अप हो जाता है प्राण। I have a question. Did you program that website not related to class? Sorry, Varun, I am not getting this question. If you can help me.
Sir, I think the question is sent to you in private, so I can't see it.
Oh, sorry. It is written like this. I have a question. Did you program that website not related to class? Within bracket, it is written.
Not related to class. I am also not getting the question. Can whoever has this question can just send it to me in private and I'll answer it.
Please.
Yeah, I'm not getting the question. Do you mean that is the website not related to the kind of classes we are organizing during the webinars? Because it is, because the whole concept of break is to help you guys and educate the youth regarding mental health, and mental health covers a lot of topics. When we say mental health, we have just discovered or spoken about 0.5% today.
True.
There's so much more to talk about. So oh, okay. So the question has been sent to me. The question is, I am interested in how you program the website. Okay, so I have to be honest here. I am an economics graduate. I don't know how to program website. We had a team for it. We have a technical team who has done the website programming. So if you want and if you're interested in it, I can get you in touch with them and you can absolutely learn how to program websites. Are there any more questions, sir, or the questions are done?
The questions are done.
The questions are done.
Okay,
Lovely.
one question has come.
Okay, you can address it.
Sir, that is why married people fall less in depression. My dear, it is both way. If you ask single also, they are not happy with their being single. And if you ask the married people, they also are not happy. है ना, पूछ के देख लो जरा मैरिड लोगों से, क्या वो खुश है ना, तो वो आपको जवाब देंगे इसका, है ना, दोनों को होता है। गुड।
Okay, we can see kids have a lot of interesting questions these days. Anyway, so if we are done with, is there any more question? We are giving you the last 2 minutes to ask any questions if you have to, because then the timing of the webinar is now coming to an end. So if you guys have any questions, you can just ask right now, or else I'll head towards the conclusion. So are you getting any questions, sir, right now?
No.
Okay, perfect. Then we'll head. Okay, so we'll. Okay. First, I want to know, did you guys like the webinar? Do you guys like the concept of what we are doing here? Did you guys enjoy yourself? Because see, ultimately, this is all for you. This is all for the students. Now, sir is here for you guys. I have made this whole platform to make you guys, understand about this topic, about, provide a safe space to you where you can ask questions that you are really hesitant to, take up to your teachers or your parents or your friends. Because I have been, it's not very long that I was your age, and I know that there are a lot of issues that you sometimes feel a little embarrassed about or a little shy about when you have to talk about it to your parents or your teachers or even your friends. Because what comes in your mind when you think about talking to your friends is that what if that person thinks that I'm weak, or what if that person thinks that what if they start laughing at me for asking such a question or asking such a doubt. But let me tell you something, the primary motive for me to start this whole thing is to actually remove the stigma of thinking that mental health is equal to mental disturbance, mental health is equal to being weak. That is a very, very wrong perception that people in our society have. Mental health is as important as physical health. Mental health is just how your brain is working, how your psyche is working. Are you at peace? Are you in calm? Until and unless you are not calm, you're not at peace, none of your activities, rather it be playing or studying or doing any other work, it won't be good or it won't be perfect because your mind is not at peace. So the whole concept of it is to actually make you guys understand that and provide you a safe space. So this is one of the webinars. This was an introductory webinar that we conducted. There are going to be so many more webinars that I plan to conduct with you guys, and sir is going to be with us, I hope. And there are a lot of other people who are going to be joining us, like sir, all certified counselors. And the best thing about what may seem exciting to you guys, that there are a lot of celebrities who are going to join us in the webinar. There are a lot of YouTubers, a lot of cricketers, a lot of actors who are going to be a part of the webinar, and who are going to share their struggles or their mental stress with you. That every field has some sort of struggle. You are in class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th right now. You might be thinking that becoming an actor seems so cool, or becoming an actor is like the person has such a cool job that I don't think they'll be stressed ever. But that's why I'm going to call actors, I'm going to call YouTubers. I don't want to take name, but there are a lot of the famous YouTubers, actors, cricketers, like celebrities from all the areas, to actually let you know that their struggle in each and every field you choose to go. So it's not just studying, it's every field. And the struggles and the challenges or the hardships that you face in life is inevitable. We cannot do anything about it, neither can you. If you want to succeed, you have to go through it. What we are trying to do here is that we'll teach you how to deal with it. There are a lot of interesting questions that was raised by you guys today, and I'm actually very happy to see such a responsive bunch of students with our in our webinar. And I thank you all. And very soon we're going to come up with a new webinar. And we were planning, as sir mentioned earlier, we were planning to conduct a webinar for how to actually make the most of this online studying that is going these days, right? Because there's so much screen time that you guys have to sit in front of the laptop, and you guys have to continuously stare into a screen. And that causes a lot of problems, and a lot of people complain that we are not able to actually concentrate like we do in regular classes. So sir is going to be with us again in another webinar, where we're going to tell you guys how actually to make the most of online classes, and how to actually increase our efficiency and concentration, and reduce the harm that the long screen times and these online classes are causing. And there are a lot of other topics that we are going to conduct a webinar on. It is not necessarily always about mental health. It can be about any social topic or any issues that you people are facing. And if you guys actually enjoyed yourself, I request you guys to let other people, your friends in your school, your known ones, know about us, and send our profile to them, and ask them to join the next time we conduct a webinar. I think all of you are connected with us somehow on the groups, WhatsApp groups that we have made. So we are going to be sending the information on that, or you can, even check our social media handles. We are on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and you can even go on our websites. And the last thing I want to say is that please, if you have any other query that you couldn't ask here, you can go on our website, post it there, and you can just, it'll be anonymous. It'll be absolutely, we are not going to reveal the name, and we're going to reply you in person on your mail, or, anywhere you would like to. And we're definitely going to get back to you. So thank you so much for joining with us. And I hope you guys have had fun. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys, and sir here wants to say something for an ending note. So over to you, sir.
Okay. Varun, are we giving them some kind of platform where they can express their, as a feedback that how they like this program?
Yeah, absolutely. They can go on the website, and there's a column where they can send us messages. And I really hope that you guys go on the website and share your feedbacks, and please let us know. You can even write it on the WhatsApp group you guys are on. I just want to know that, because ultimately this is all for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed
And
it.
very quickly, if just in 1 or 2 minutes, if someone want to say something right now, they
Can
can
you
just
just
unmute.
unmute yourself right now? Because now the
Ah,
meeting has ended. Now just it is an informal discussion between us. Can you
yes,
unmute yourself
yes,
and
yes.
let us know? That
See,
even
I just got one private message.
yeah.
They're saying, thanks a lot, sir. Very interesting and interactive session. Uh, can you say on the screen right?
I would like to request Ravinder sir here to actually share some thoughts, because he's been very supportive in this initiative that we have taken, and it was really helpful to see how he actually got in with us and helped us in this thing. And it is because of teachers like him that we can reach more and more people. So I'm actually very grateful to you, sir, that you are supporting us in this. And can you share some thoughts actually how you like the webinar, and do you think this is going good?
Varun and sir, I'm very grateful to you that you have given us such a nice information to our students, and they will be really benefited from this.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I hope you continue to join in with us, and you
Yes,
continue
yes.
with
I'll
the
continue. I'll try to add more and more students in this group.
perfect. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravinder sir. Any student, if you want to say, what was the most interesting thing today, which you like most?
Yeah,
Any-
come on, just unmute yourself and let us know.
Hmm.
Sir, may I speak?
Please,
Yes.
please. You are Sia
Sir,
or Tanisk? Tanisk?
Sir Tanish, she's here.
Okay, Tanisk, please.
So I wanted to say the most interesting part was the exercises. The first exercise in which we fumbled was the most interesting, and it was a very interactive session. We learned a lot of things, and we also learned how to calm our mind. So from our side, it is a big thumbs up.
Wow, good. Thank you, Tanisk.
Thank you so much for the response, Sia and Tanishk. I hope you guys tell your friends about us and ask them to join in with us when we
Rakhi, I think Rakhi also want to share something. Rakhi,
go ahead.
how did you like this webinar today? How was it for you? कैसा लगा? Any language you prefer, you can speak. कैसा लगा webinar आज?
So it was really good. We got many informations, and
सबसे बढ़िया क्या लगा तुम्हें?
so actually I had joined this webinar late, so so exercises are like good.
Okay, good, good. Thank you, Rakhi. Thank you. So, Varun,
So for an ending note, I would just like to end this webinar on this note that I am really, really grateful for Sir. I really want to thank you, Sir, from the behalf the whole team of Break, and I'm pretty sure that this was very insightful for the students as well. And can we all just say thank you to sir? Can you all just unmute yourself and say thank you to sir? If you guys enjoyed, let him know that you guys did.
Thank you
very much,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Love you all, love you.
And I hope you guys keep joining us when we conduct our next webinars, and inform all your friends, and how more and more people you can reach out to, so that we can reach more and more people, and we can spread this awareness, right? So I'm pretty sure a lot of you can spread this amongst your friends in school, or your family, your relatives, anyone, your building, your society, right? We need to reach more and more people, and there is no age limit. Anybody can join, because this is going to be beneficial for anyone who listens to this. We generally say that we are targeting students from 6 to 10, because we want to hammer the problem at the roots, because I know that you guys would be more interactive. But you guys can ask anyone to join. They can come and hear us, they can listen to the whole webinar, they can come interact with us. And again, if you have any doubt, any query, you can just go on our website, just leave the question there, and we're going to respond to you ASAP. Right? So thank you so much. And now sir and I will take your leave, and we will see you very, very soon again. And how do people? So this is Sanjay sir, and yeah, this is Sanjay sir, and I will be taking off now. Thank you so much, and see you very, very soon. Right? Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.